Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. It's Eric. Now what you see is a running test of the automatic dripping machine for this big project. Since the equipment has been assembled one by one, now we are running the test before we deliver them to our customers. Every set, we need to do the inspection and test before we pack them and deliver them to our customers. Here is another part of the machine running and test. Magnificent, right? Here are the semi-assembled equipment still under the processing. Let me know if you need this equipment, and please subscribe to my channel page, and I think my videos will inspire you and give you some help. Have a good day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.